guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to start off by saying I'm so sorry that the lighting might be different, the sound may be different, everything is different because I've been struggling so badly. My camera keeps freezing, and now I'm filming from my iPhone, and I've already filmed this video yesterday. It took me so long because it was a disaster as well, because I had glitter freaking everywhere, and the look was just, yesterday everything went wrong. So today I'm trying again. I've got a little mic and everything, so let's hope it turns out better. So today we are doing the Boxycharm. This is April's one. I know it's late and I'm so sorry. I can't help. I've got a Sony camera, and it's a very expensive camera, but it's been like, I don't know if it's the parts have been discontinued, or you can only order it from overseas, and now I have to take it in, and then it takes like a couple of days, so I don't know what's gonna happen, and I just feel so bad, and I've been feeling so depressed because I just couldn't get a video up at all. And the Boxycharm has been here for a couple of days. I know normally it's late, so it's late again. So yeah, now let's get into the real video, guys. Yes, the Boxy. So this month's Boxy, as I've said, I have already gone through the products because I did the whole flippin' thing. But this month's Boxy, if you open it up, okay, my packaging is gone. So this month's Boxy is Peace, Love and Boxy. I think this is the whole festival Coachella type of vibe. And yeah, so I'm going to go through the products that's in the box because I've already kind of opened them. I tried to put them back in the original packaging. Okay, so first off, you get the trio of brushes, which is the Summer Daze 3-piece brush set. And this, I'm not going to read everything. It's a small contouring brush for your cheekbones, and then there's a small shader brush and a large shader brush. And this recommends. This retails for $28. So if you open them up, which I've already used them, so I know they're very nice. Apart from they had glitter all over them yesterday, so they might not be completely dry yet. But I absolutely love the packaging. How cute is that, guys? So this is a flat shader brush. It's a little bit wet still, but we're going to try and use it. I know already that they work. So we are. Oh, they smell like Pink Cosmetics brush cleaner. And then the thing we're going to use. Now, the reason I don't have any foundation or anything on for this palette is yesterday was a F up of a note. I put my foundation, everything on, and then I tried to play around with the glitters inside here. Needless to say, guys, I tried to use the primer, the little bag of primer that was in there. As you guys can see, I used a little bit. It is a beautiful palette. These two shades, however, are extremely tricky. Now, I don't know if it's because I've got hooded eyes or what, but I even put a glitter primer on. I literally put some colors here. I cut the crease, put some glitter primer over, and then I used both these shades. I started with this in the beginning and this on the outer side. Now, it looked freaking beautiful, guys. But then when I opened my eyes and I looked at the camera and I was talking to you guys, and I looked down into my mirror, I was literally mortified. That glitter from my eyelids, when I opened my eyes, literally sat here, so it transferred completely. Even though I put a glitter primer, I used the NYX Glitter Primer. And also here, even though the glitter, I put so little on, it was separating like in lines, like pulling apart. And it was almost like the gel that the glitter that was holding the glitter together was like separating where my eyes creased. And then what happened afterwards, I tried to take the glitter off here first. Then I tried to, and I had foundation on, so I started taking everything off. Peoples, there was fucking glitter stuck in my hair, in my eyebrows. I went and washed my face completely with cleansing balm. When I came back, everything was stuck in my eyebrows. And I started all over again, guys. It was just a nightmare. So I'm very cautious of that palette today. We are going to try, I know that all of these colors, the non-glitter colors, are beautiful. This shade Sunset is so beautiful, guys. It looks like a light pink, but on the eye it's so freaking beautiful. The gold is beautiful. The matte shades in this palette is perfect. It's like a light, darker, almost like a reddish tone, and then a dark brown. So they are beautiful. So today I don't have anything on my face. I've just cleaned my face. So I'm going to start off with doing something on the eyes. Now this palette is very expensive, or well, for me, $36 is quite a lot. So this is the Festival Palette. I don't know if I want to dig into those shimmers again today, but let's just do something. I'm not going to put a primer on today. I don't even know. Maybe I must just take another brush. I know that this brush works. The brushes are beautiful. This one is a little bit wet, so I don't want it to hinder the process. So let's go in with a clean brush. And yeah, let's see. So firstly, I'm going to go into that light shade Epic. And I'm literally just going to blend that into my crease. And just build up that color there. We can even drag it out because I don't have foundation on now. So we can play around a bit with the colors. So all I'm literally doing is blending that into the crease. It's a beautiful color and it blends beautifully. It builds up as well. So as you guys can see, there's just a light flush of color, but when I go in again, it starts building up beautifully. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, it is a beautiful color. I am being a bit messy on the side because I want to clean it up later. I'm going to go into this red color called Hidden Desert. And then just go a little bit lower and blend that on my eyelid, in like literally in the crease. That other color I took a little bit higher. Now this color is a little bit more of a reddish burnt orange color, which I love. And once I put this on like I did yesterday, it almost looks like a little bit of a sunset. Can you guys see? It's probably why they call it like the Festival Palette. So I'll show you guys now. Can you guys have a, oh, if you guys can have a look. It is quite pretty. Okay, so this is where we are at the moment, if you guys can see. Now, what I'm going to do is, I don't actually know if I should or I shouldn't. I think I'm going to go in with a gold today. And I'm going to put some primer on again. I'm going to take that little packing brush. And I am just going to go on my eyelid and put some glitter primer down. I'm not going to cut the crease like I did yesterday. That was just a horrible experience. I was like, after yesterday I was almost in tears from just like, I felt so defeated because the cell phone didn't want to work. Nothing literally wanted to work, and I was just like over it, eh? So I'm going to take it out a bit. This might be a fail, just like all the other ones, but anyway. So then I'm going to go into that psychedelic color there, and I'm going to pack that on with my finger all over the lid, Oh, it's beautiful. This palette is really, really beautiful. It's just that bloody color there, those flippin' glitters. But maybe I'll I don't know if I should attempt something with just a little bit of glitter, or I'm so scared of it now. Okay, so I am taking it out, as you guys can see, because we are going to clean up there. Just want to blend a bit on the top there, where I am going. Okay, so now I'm just going to do the same thing on the other eye. Can you guys see? It's looking very pretty. And then we can carry on. Okay guys, so as you guys can see, the gold is looking beautiful. Now I want to take a little smaller brush, And I'm going to go in with that dark shade called All Night. And I literally want to try and intensify this crease here. I know I'm trying new things again, and I hope it doesn't mess me up too much. Okay, so I kind of like how this is looking. I am tempted to put a little bit of glitter on, but I don't know. We're still going to put eyeliner on. Now, my eyes are really hooded, guys, and I just don't want to destroy this look. So I think maybe at the end I'll put some glitter on the inside. It is a festival, so yeah, let's move on. I'm going to clean up my face and then put some foundation on, and then we can carry on. Okay, guys, so I am back, and this is what it's looking like. I quite like it. So now I'm going to dig into the palette, and I think I am going to take, should I take a purple or a pink? Maybe a pink. Let's take a pink. Where are my brushes at? Feeling much better than I did yesterday about this whole situation. Oh, where did all this fluff come from? Okay, so I'm digging into that pink. It's a very pigmented. Look at that. Can you guys see? Maybe I must just tap off. Oh, okay. And I'm going to smudge that out on my lower lash line. Wow, that's like a very pink. Okay, so I love how that's looking. I'm going to take that same brush and I'm going to go into that dark brown color called All Night. And I'm going to take that and just intensify the outer corner with a little bit of brown. And blending it in there and into the top. And then on as close as I can to my waterline, just to give it some, so it's not like, because my waterline is separating it, I don't want to necessarily put on. Do you guys see the difference? How it's blending. Sorry, the sun is quite bright now. I'm loving how this looks. So we're going to put the palette aside. Oh, wait. Now let's do this. I'm going to put a little bit of this glitter primer, just like a tiny bit between my, and I'm just going to pack it on here. My inner corner. I'm literally taking so little because I'm scared AF. Okay, then I'm going to take that gold 24K magic on the tip of my finger. It's so beautiful. It's such a pity. It's like so stressful using it. And I'm just going to pat it all over there on the inside of my eye. Okay, this is looking nice. Now I hope it doesn't spread anywhere, but I am now loving this. Can you guys see? Look at that. Very pretty. Okay, so that's pretty. Just, I think if you don't have hooded eyes, this will be perfect because it's not going to transfer. But with me and my old eyes, yeah. So putting that aside, I love it now. Now that I'm not showing you guys the absolutely fucked version that I did yesterday. Now we are going in with this, where's the box? This liner, which is, how much is this? $16. So this is like a, I think it's waterproof, budge resistant, 24 hour smudge proof and all of that stuff. And yeah, I don't know if I should attempt a wing because then I'm just going to mess up my whole situation, but it's quite a thick, if you guys can see, a thick tip. So I'm first just going to line my eye, and I think that's all I'm going to do. Even though this is, I need to stop talking. This is very pigmented, and it does apply like a lot of product, so it's not like it's going to dry and leave you, you know, like having to shake it or anything. Okay guys, so I'm not hating this liner, you just have to work very carefully with it. So I think it's actually going much better than yesterday, which I'm pleasantly surprised I didn't post that video because I didn't have nice things to sell. So next thing in the box is, before I put my mascara on, whatever, is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. I've got the shade Summer Haze, and this retails for, let's see, $27. And so okay, if you close this thing, remember to turn the thing at the top, because I didn't, and now my whole thing is full of powder. So I just need to definitely close that thing up and just use what's ever left now. So I'm going to take this brushy and literally just tap in there and tap off most of it in the cap, because there's a lot coming off. Okay, let's see. Ooh, it's a very natural, can you guys see? It's a very natural highlight. It's just like, almost like it gives me like hourglass vibes. You know, it's not like overly pigmented, wow, it's just like, can you guys see, like natural. I'm gonna put it all over now. I'm having a good makeup day today after yesterday. Oh my word, I am so happy. Okay, put some on my nose. I almost forgot about my nose. Oh yeah, I've got a new mirror as well, so it's not an old ugly thing. And yeah, so that works very well. I like that. So I'm just gonna go put some mascara on, and then I will be back. Okay guys, so I've put mascara on, as you guys can see, and I just tight lined my top line so it like kind of blends in. Can you guys see? I don't think it looks bad at all. I think I did quite good today considering. Okay, so now the last thing in the box is the Steve Laurent. It's pretty. Steve Laurent is this, I think it is a lip gloss, yes. It says 1 part balm and 3 parts silk. The Steve Laurent gloss is never leaving your face, leaving your favorite purse. Formulated with a creamy lip softening texture, this one-of-a-kind hybrid gel oil will moisturize and hydrate your lips with just one swipe. $22. Okay. So, well, I got the shade Champagne. Ooh. This is like, every time I look at it, it's so pretty. Can you guys see? It almost has like a goldish tinge to it. I'm just gonna put that on. Turn it. Oh, it smells good too. I've been very into glosses lately because my lips are so freaking dry. So I'm struggling. That is nice, and it's like a nude, the perfect nude. Okay, why doesn't this thing want to turn into it? Okay, there it goes. So this is nice. So the whole boxy this month is like over $120, so it is worthwhile. So yeah, this is my final look. I haven't sprayed, so let's spray now. My hair are gonna go cruise, because if I spray my hair curls. Okay. Oh, that's good. So I hope you guys enjoyed my second video. Fuck knows, I worked long and hard on this one, so you guys better like it downstairs, because this is like the second time I'm filming this full movie. I did my hair and everything yesterday as well, and it was just, I was almost in tears. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, please. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my